Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the not enough memory to open this page error in Google Chrome. This frustrating issue can pop up when your system's virtual memory isn't configured properly. But don't worry, the fix is straightforward. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search menu. This is the key with the Windows logo, typically located between your Control and Alt keys. Once the search bar appears, type in View Advanced System Settings, exactly as I just mentioned. This will bring up the System Properties panel where you can adjust critical performance settings. From the search results, click on View Advanced System Settings. This will open a new window displaying your computer's system properties. This is where Windows stores many of the deeper configuration options that aren't accessible through the regular settings menu. Now, in the System Properties window, you'll see a section labeled Performance. Under this section, click the Settings button. This action opens the Performance Options dialog, which controls how Windows allocates resources like memory and visual effects. It's an essential area for optimizing how your computer handles demanding applications like Chrome. Once the Performance Options window appears, navigate to the Advanced tab at the top. Click on it to reveal more configuration settings related to processor scheduling and virtual memory. Virtual memory is what Windows uses when your physical RAM is running low, essentially using hard drive space as temporary memory. Next, under the virtual memory section, click the Change button. This is where you'll be able to manually configure how much virtual memory your system uses. By default, Windows manages this automatically, but sometimes manual configuration can resolve memory errors more effectively. You'll notice there's a checkbox at the top that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Go ahead and uncheck this box. Disabling automatic management allows you to set custom values that might work better for your specific situation and prevent memory errors from occurring. After unchecking that option, select the Custom Size Radio button. This enables two input fields where you can specify exactly how much virtual memory you want Windows to allocate. Setting these values manually gives you more control over your system's memory management. Now you'll see two fields labeled Initial Size and Maximum Size. These determine the minimum and maximum amount of hard drive space Windows can use as virtual memory. In both of these fields, type in 1024 inches without the quotes. This allocates 1 GB of virtual memory, which should be sufficient to resolve the Chrome memory error for most users. After entering those values, click the Set button to apply your custom configuration. Then click OK to close the virtual memory window. You might need to restart your computer for these changes to take full effect, so be prepared to do that if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully configured your virtual memory settings to fix the not enough memory to open this page error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.